Hey everybody, this is Edujo and welcome to another video in my series on Python and specifically while loops. So previously we had a problem where we asked the user for a number and then we printed a phrase until the user pressed or entered 0. Today we're going to work with string and just have a look at a very similar thing. We're going to ask the user to type a letter, enter a letter, and then have a phrase like hi or hello or something like that until the user enters the escape key or the sentinel P. So let's get started. So we initialize by declaring a variable. I'm going to say, what shall I make this letter? Let's make this one. It doesn't really matter. I'll just say A, as long as it's not P. Basically, is what I'm trying to say. So while letter is not equal. Oops, there we go. Not equal to P. Remember the colon. So while the letter is not equal to P, we're going to say letter, and it's very, very similar to the previous one, but this time we don't need to use the integer to cast the string to an integer. We're just going to use the input function because the input by default just gives us string. Enter a letter is what we want to ask them, and then we're going to print I guess, what do you say? We'll say hi or something like that. So I'm just going to say hi, and shall we say you enter? Yeah, I'll say hi. Hi, you entered the letter, and I'm just going to do that with a comma and then letter. There we go. That should work. Let's see what we did. So we initialized we declared a variable called a. While a is not equal to p, that is true, a and p is not equal, this loop will run. We're going to enter a letter, and then we hope to print out, hi, you enter the letter, and then letter, whatever that is. So let's run it and see. Whoops, let me cancel that. I forgot to change this one. This is just letter. I probably forgot to the previous one as well, but that's okay. So let's run it and see. Enter a letter. I'm going to say S. You enter the letter S. I probably should put a full stop at the end there. Let's say R and M and then P, and you entered the letter P, and that is now finished. So I just want to put a full stop over here, and this is also where I can show you how what do you call it, concatenation works. So I'll just put a full stop just like that. I'll run it again, and I'll just do W, and then you can see there's a gap in between there, which is not good. It's not good. I'll just get out of it now, and you see we don't want to have it like that, and this is where the difference is between just using the regular comma separation like we normally do, or using concatenation. So I'll just put a plus there, and then I will put a plus there. Remember, it joins. If you use a little plus there for concatenation, it joins it together. The other problem you'll see in a minute is that this letter and whatever the letters I type in is going to be exactly next to each other, but I just want to show you. I've solved the full stop, but I've created a new problem, so I'll show you what that means. So I'll just go D. So there you can see that the letter you enter and the word letter is together. I just want to separate that now. Let me just put that P in, and I'll close that, and you will see I just need to put a little space there. Now when I run it, it should be fine. I'll just say QWE and then P, and now you can see it looks very, very nice. We've got the nice little space there, and there's no space for the full stop. So that's quite cool. That's quite cool. Right, so that is today's video. Again, very simple. Just we worked with some string, and in our next video we're going to look at how we can work with combining. We'll make it a little bit more, a bit harder, and we can see how we can combine possibly some more maybe if statements or something. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.